Yo, everybody. Welcome back to my live. I'm live now. So I'm trying to keep this live in English. As much English I know. I try to keep it in English. Because last few lives were in Hindi and Punjabi. So I want to keep it a little informative. First of all, I want to thank everybody, all my fans, everybody out there who liking the poster of Glory. It's all the big efforts of my big brother Raj RDM bhai. He made it, his idea, his concept, and finally it came out really good and you liking it. So first of all, Har Har Mahadev, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum to everybody. Dope boy Leo in the house, baby. Leo in the house. So I want to tell you a few things about Glory. The album is coming very soon. It's mastered now. 2 songs has to be mastered. Rest everything is ready. Audio is ready, and we're shooting in June the first video, and hopefully we're gonna release it in July. This is the plan. And initially when I announced Glory, I announced Glory as an EP of 5 songs, but the whole album, it turned into an album now. It's 9-song album and just 1 collaboration. There are lots of pages who are my fans. They love me, I know, but I think by mistake or due to excitement they spread some false news about me and my projects and lots of things about me as well. So I want to request all my fan pages out there, please do not put stupid what you call the thumbnails and the cover. This is cancelled, this is that. If you really love me, don't spread all this shit, bro. If you want that people come down to your page and watch your videos, they'll come anyway. You don't have to do that shit. So if you love me, please respect everybody and maintain the dignity, and don't spread these kind of news that this is not coming, that is not coming, or that is not coming, or this is not coming, or this happened, look, this happened, he's dating whom, he's dating her. So don't do all that shit, bro. Just keep it low-key, bro. I like it to keep it low-key. So this is what it is. And so now the album Glory is an album of 9 songs, just 1 collaboration with Yamina, and it's really crazy. The whole album is crazy. And when I announced the EP is supposed to be R&B, but this album is not just R&B. It got everything in it. And you've been asking for me for full rap, lots of old school rap, lots of old style rap. So I was listening to your request, but I was not doing, because I wanted to be the request to be fulfilled in a proper manner. So now I'm dropping lots of rap in Glory. Lots of raps are coming up in it. Punjabi rap especially. Hindi rap is not there in it, because you have to wait for that. You have to wait for everything. You know, you waited for my haircut, you waited for my old look, you waited for the rap, you waited for the album, you waited for my music production. Now it's coming. Slowly everything gonna come in. I'm gonna give you everything. Amit Rai Paji, England, I love you, Paji. So this is what it is. Now it's in full album. It got raps, it got hip-hop beats, it got proper Honey Singh dance song, two dance songs proper in it, and like my third waliyan beata. So that kind of loaded shit, it's there in it. And the whole album has been written by my brother Leo. So why Leo? Everybody's asking why Leo. You have lots of people working with you in and out here and there. Everybody is in your team. I have a big team. I have all the brothers. Everybody are my brothers. But it just happened actually, and what Leo wrote in Glory, it's the only guy can write, either me or somebody who know me for 10-15 years, who lived with me in every phase, who saw me in every phase, who saw me in every mood, who saw me drunk, who saw me happy, who saw me sad, who saw me sick. And Leo is one of them, Alfaz is one of them. So these brothers know in and out of me. So I wanted the whole album to be written my way, you know, and represent me, who I am. So finally, lots of things come in it, and the whole Glory is representing me lyrically and musically as well. And I tried to sing a couple of songs in a melodic way as well. So I hope you're gonna like it. So keep it locked. Glory is coming very soon. Again, a big request to all the fan pages who have Insta handles, YouTube pages, and they're spreading news. Don't give a shit about other people as well, bro. I don't give a fuck about anybody. I don't give a fuck about anybody. I just stick to my game, tunnel vision all the time. This is Leo's vocabulary, tunnel vision, and he used it in the rap as well. And so we stay tunnel vision, baby. We don't give a fuck to people, and we don't care. So you also just don't care about other people. Just enjoy. Just enjoy life, man. This is what it is. Yo Honey Singh signing off. Happy birthday to my papa, my inspiration, my hero. And one more thing, tomorrow I'm coming back again live for the big announcement. It's happening tomorrow. Yes, very big. Amit Badana, Meri Jaan, I love you. So let me give a shout out who all are here. Anushri Behna, Mihir Gulati, Mariyan de Bund Party, Hero brother, I announced it. That we're gonna announce it tomorrow. Who else? Come up, come up. Who else is here? Ooh, Hero saying ooh. Mir Gulati got my stage name. You run the stage, motherfucker. You don't need any stage name, Mir Gulati. You run the show, baby. Meri Jaan, you run the show. And who else is coming? Yeah. Leo bhai, apa Ravdiya liner disclose nahi karni aane. Pacho bond paadi apa. Jawab mil jane sare nu. Jide jawab mangde sar tum. Kam to jawab dekhda vire. Chalo everybody, I'm signing off. Peace out. Take care, much love.